When is she gonna get back to crocheting my bestie? Maybe I need to get her attention.
Okay, I'll make the chin.
I'm sure you want to get back to crocheting your puppy dog too. I've listed all the tools and materials in the description for you. Here's the stitches and techniques to make the dog's chin. Now let's get crocheting. The chin is crocheted by starting at this point and working a few rounds to get to the end. Let's start by making 6 single crochets into a magic ring. You can see we don't need to leave a long tail here. And there I go again, saving as much yarn as possible. Let me know in the comments if you start your magic rings like this too. Sometimes I make the ring a little bit too small trying to save some yarn, and then I gotta close it up a little bit just to complete the first round. Now for round 2. Make 2 single crochets into that first stitch. I'm gonna hold the tail from that magic ring close to my work and crochet around it just for a few stitches. But I'm gonna leave a little bit of a tail so I can pull everything tight when I'm done with this round. Then put 1 single crochet into the next 2 stitches. At this point, I noticed my circle was starting to curl up a little bit, and if this happens to you, just take your time and shape it back into place. We will repeat that sequence of the increase and the 2 single crochets once more, and that should be the end of round 8 with a total of 8 stitches. At this point, you can use the tail from that magic ring and pull everything a little bit tighter. Before starting round 3, I'm going to insert a stitch marker into the last stitch of the previous round because we need to put 1 single crochet in all 8 stitches. That stitch marker just takes the counting out of the equation. This way I can crochet without thinking too much about things. This is the part of the pattern that I really enjoy because for rounds 4 and 5, we're just going to do the same thing. Put 1 single crochet into all 8 stitches. This is where crocheting is really relaxing because as long as no one interrupts you before you complete the round, you just crochet and keep crocheting. After crocheting round 5, you can fasten off without leaving a long tail because we're done.
If you're following along, you should have the eyes, ears, nose, and now the chin done for your puppy dog. We've got everything we need to start crocheting the head because some of these pieces are going to be crocheted as we go along. If you're a little behind, don't worry, just make sure you at least have the nose and the chin done for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for the next one. Thanks for watching.